Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Remove these two threaded clips. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen them. So you just kind of turn and they'll pop up a little bit. Do the same for both. We'll take our plastic prying tool, just kind of get it up underneath there, pull this clip out. If it doesn't come out, that's fine. Just get the center part out. That basically unlocks it. I'm going to use a flat bladed screwdriver here to pop this one out. We need to remove this cover, so carefully take the flat bladed screwdriver, pop it up, and take it out. There's two 10mm bolts here. They do have Phillips head openings, but I'm going to use a 10mm socket extension and ratchet to remove them. So I'll start with the top one. These are just threaded self-tapping bolts going to grommets. Remove both of them. Taillight assembly is loose. Pull it straight to the back. So we're pulling it off of the clips here and here. And now we have access to the bulbs. So the side marker bulb is in this first one here. Turn it counterclockwise to unlock it and pull it out. It's a 194 peanut bulb, so if I needed to change it, you just pull it straight out and then reinsert it. And then we'll go right back in the housing and lock it in place. This is the brake light marker light bulb. Let's turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. So it's a dual filament. It is a 7443 bulb, and you can just be pushed right back into place. And then put it in the opening. And turn it clockwise to lock it. To remove the turn signal bulb, clockwise to unlock it, we'll pull it straight out. It pulls right out of the socket. This is a Y21W, which is a 7440. It'll be an amber bulb. You'll just push it right back in, and then reinstall it in the opening. That's all the bulbs in this tail lamp assembly. These two pins here line up with these two clips here. So I have to push them in right up against the body with the tail lamp. It snaps into place. Reinstall the 10mm bolts. Once they get tight, I'll just stop. Reinstall the trim cover. One of these clips is broken. This one's still good. It slides in this way. Oh, there was a clip up here that slid into here. It goes in. Slide it up and around. Push this clip in place. Just kind of snaps down. This one, push the center in because it came apart. And then push this middle part in to lock it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.